Magandang hapon po ng Thursday, March 14, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, March 14, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas ng para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng March 14, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas ng para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Thursday, March 14, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 51 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 66.5 million pesos for March 14, 2024 Thursday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Thursday, March 14, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.